Welcome back. Today I am not alone in the studio. I have with me amazing teenagers and they will just introduce themselves to you.
My name is Mark. My name is Confidence.
My name is Olivia.
My name is Pedro. My name is Anthony.
My name is Brian.
My name is Juma.
My name is Suikachi.
My name is Prosper. My name is Isaac.
Now, we are going to be playing a game, and in this game, the rule of the game is one of the participants will pick a piece of paper right there, and he or she will show it to the camera and will try his or her best to explain to us what is written on paper, and we right here will try to guess on what it is. I am sure it's going to be fun and interesting, so sit back and enjoy.
Wow. Let's see. What is that? Okay.
TV.
Mirror.
You've already said something, you're out. You don't say anything.
You shouldn't say anything.
We'll turn it back.
What's that thing?
No, it's not. We'll turn it back. Your time, we'll turn it back.
Oh, God. Wow.
Please don't say waka.
Okay.
You let it hold it. Let him hold it now.
Okay, come and hold it, please. Alright. Give it to him.
Filling station.
No.
It's not.
It's supposed to be specific now.
It's not.
It's written there.
Come and see what you.
Maybe you
Look at it very well. You don't say anything.
the time you sit up.
Police station. Fine.
Next. Oh, it's your. Who is going next?
You.
Alright, turn it to us. Let's
Mirror. Sky sheet.
No words.
Staircase. Come on.
Lay down, please.
You don't say anything. Please, timer.
Big step. Inside the house.
Television screen.
Television screen.
Watching television.
You don't say anything. She said. What did you say? 59 seconds. Wow, that was close. 59 seconds.
I got this.
Alright. Alright, you're next.
Wait, no, yes.
Please don't show it to them.
This part of the room, you know it. You know what we are doing. You're just going to talk like
You're showing it to them. Show it to us. Alright.
Many things are actually like this.
Okay, please, guys, watch.
Cooking. Cooking. What?
Don't say anything.
Car. Machine. Kaki. Key.
And find the driver.
Driver's license.
Go.
Driver.
Don't say anything. Go on, but don't say anything.
Car door. Driving key. Car key. Key. Car wheel.
Open the
Snot.
car door and go inside the car.
Screwdriver. Screwdriver.
I'm lost. I don't even know what to say. Like, when you drive, if you even get that one,
Pink car.
Driver start the car. Five. Drive.
what does it mean? Like, I'm not kidding you.
Timer. Alright, your time is up. You're out. Put it back.
Oh my god. What does?
Alright.
Next person.
Next. She's out of the game here because she's seen. Show it to us. Alright.
Mechanic. No, it's not.
It was the same thing. It was the same thing. Next.
This guy went that he had to go down.
Go down. You need to understand. This is where we are going to. So turn and face it to us. Okay.
Anger. Madness. Anger.
Madman.
Madman.
You guys are smart too. Can you imagine? You guys are really smart. Okay. Okay.
Winner.
Champion.
Winner.
Belt.
World Cup.
Please.
Champion.
WWE.
Like champion.
Success.
Name.
Signboard.
Boxer. Fan. Restaurant.
I don't know what to say. Ne.
Poker.
Wrestler.
Oh.
Restaurant.
Banner.
Banner.
Protest.
That was close. How many minutes?
30 seconds.
That's 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Okay. Okay now.
Why were you doing something like this?
Let's open and show it to us. Open and show it to us.
Okay.
Alright.
Your time has
Hi! The time has started.
I don't die.
Wait though.
Please.
Before you get it.
ATM.
Bank.
US.
Money.
Food, pot of food, getting money.
1 point.
ATM bank.
Withdrawal.
Deposit,
Bullion bank.
Television.
money,
Trading.
POS. Trade by butter.
Market.
Businessman.
market.
10 seconds still.
30 seconds.
Please.
Alright, so let's. This is the last one, yeah? Alright, show it to us. Why are you showing it to them? Alright. Okay. You don't say anything, no?
Prayer. Goat. Sheep.
Good.
God.
Prayer.
Dog.
Prayer.
Muslim. Church. Now we let that finish.
Let's see what you're doing.
Iron. Shaving stick. Madman.
Lion.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my my god, that was so much fun. I had so much fun. I mean, hey, Jesus Christ. Why were you able to say that? Okay, what do you have over there? Lying on the hairs. Wow, that has been so much fun. I hope you had as much fun as we did here in the studio. With this, we'll come to the end of today's episode of Teens Republic here on AnaedoTV. My name is Gwacham Chidiogo. Please make sure to follow us on all our social media handles. Subscribe to our channel so you get more episodes like this. You have a voice. Your voice is powerful. The world will hear your voice and feel your impact. I'll see you next time. Bye.